Welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I will show you how to add apps to desktop. We have two types of icons here on your desktop. Your default icons, the this PC recycle bin and control panel, and you have also the application icons. As you can see, the Google Chrome and this BlueStacks. So what if you are missing your default icons here on your desktop? How can you add the default icons? So all you need to do is click on the start menu icon right here at the bottom left corner of your screen and then click on the settings. Now here on settings, all you need to do is just click on this personalization. And from here, you'll just need to go to themes. So click this one and then scroll down until you find the desktop icon settings. So all you need to do is check mark the icons that you want to put on your desktop. Once you've done, click on apply and then click on OK. Now, how can we add the application icons here on your desktop? So all you need to do is click again the start menu icon and then click on all apps. Now to add the icons on your desktop, all you need to do is find the app and then once you find the app, as you can see here, for example, this VPN app, and then all you need to do is drag and drop this application to your desktop. So that's how you basically do it. Just drag and drop and it will show up here on your desktop. As you can see here, the VPN icon. And you can also do that to other applications on your computer. So go back to start menu and then all apps and drag and drop all the applications icon that you want to put on your desktop. So that's how you add apps to desktop. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.